Hello guys, welcome back to Spider Monkey English Lessons. Today I have 20 more ways to say thank you, to show gratitude to someone. These 20 gratitude expressions will help you with your English vocabulary. So before we get started, guys, as always, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button down there for me. Smash it, guys. It would be greatly appreciated. So let's go. Number 1, many thanks. Number 2, much obliged. Number 3, I appreciate it. Number 4, thank you kindly. Number 5, you're too kind. You can also say you are too kind. Number 6, I'm grateful. You can also say I am grateful. Number 7, thanks a bunch. Number 8, thanks a million. Number 9, thank you so much. Number 10, I owe you one. I owe you one. Number 11, you're the best. You can also say you are the best. Number 12, that's very thoughtful of you. Or you can say that is very thoughtful of you. Number 13, you're a lifesaver. Or you can say you are a lifesaver. Number 14, I can't thank you enough. Or you can say, I cannot thank you enough. Like when you're looking at my videos, Spider Monkey English, I cannot thank you enough for watching my channel and subscribing. Number 15, you're amazing. Or you can say, you are amazing. And you are. Number 16, you're a star. Or you can say, you are a star. Number 17, you're the greatest. Or you can say, you are the greatest. Number 18, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to my channel. Number 19, I'm so grateful. Or you can say, I am so grateful. And number 20, thank you for everything. Thank you, guys. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for watching my Spider Monkey English channel, English lessons. Until next time, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you doing the next Spider Monkey exercise. Go out there, make it a good day, guys. Bye.